Halloween party liability. Hard to believe it's that time of the year already, but we have the people here that are going to give you the answers on the parties. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Molly Clark, who's here for Ed. Good to have you both.
Thanks.
You know I love the party.
Had a good comment, but I think I'm going to hold it for now. Let's go to our question instead. Kelly in Scranton says, my friends want to have a Halloween party at a local bar restaurant. I'm worried about people drinking and potentially falling or getting hurt. Would that fall back on the restaurant, bar, or us as hosts of the party? Molly, what should Kelly think about here before holding this party?
Kelly has a lot of things to think about. First and foremost, it's going to matter whether or not you have a contract with the bar restaurant. If you just go in and say, I'm going to have some friends here, and you don't sign any documentation, then I think anything that happened as a result of any drinking or falling or anything of that nature would be on the restaurant. And in the event that something like that happens or that the party gets out of hand, you want to let, and if you see anything, you want to let the restaurant manager or the owners or the bartenders know so that you can prevent anything like that from happening. Because I'm sure the bartenders, the owner of the restaurant, the bar, they don't want to have any liability on their hands either. As far as you guys, like I said, I wouldn't enter into any type of contract or agreement to take responsibility for any of those things. And if they ask you to enter into one of those agreements, you should contact a lawyer so they could go over the fine print and explain it to you.
No, I agree. I think you're right on point because, I mean, at the end of the day, you're not serving the alcohol. You have no control. You're not assessing people whether or not they're visibly impaired. That falls on the bar. That's their job. That's why you're paying them to do that, to dispense the alcohol. So I think at the end of the day, the bar would probably have the liability. It's their premises. They're the ones dispensing the alcohol. But, you know, again, always read the fine print of the contracts and try to be safe.
Molly, does Greg let loose at the company holiday party?
He's wild.
Yeah.
Got to see it to believe it. All right, results matter with Fellerman and Ciarimboli. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Molly Clark, thanks so much.
Thank you.
PAHomepage.com and the Law New Hotline are there for you.